YouTube family, welcome back to Nuer Tube. I have this video, so all you gotta do is just simply watch, okay? Okay, this one, what you're gonna see is how Nuer people dance, okay? You be like, oh, they are running, but actually it is dance. It is a kind of dance that we do. So, you like that, right? Like it? Please try to share it. Yes, look how the guy is so flexible. You know, you can see it bending his yeah, yeah, that's it. Okay, guys, I will see you on the next challenge. Do not forget to follow, share, and subscribe to this channel. And do not forget also to comment. If you have any suggestion, please do. Okay, thank you for watching.